Hey, what is going on, guys? And today we are going to be reviewing ramp truck slash 1969 Corvette coupe. This is made by Masoto Design. I think that's how you say it. It's a 1/64 scale. And yeah, so let's just go ahead and get to the review. I bought this at Walmart today. As you can see, you got the ramp truck and the Corvette on there. You have a little ramp truck there. It's kind of hard to fit everything. Got a ramp truck on the back for the back design. Here's the bottom. Let's go ahead and open this. I've already opened this once because you can just slip it back in after. Let's take the Corvette out. And the ramp truck. Okay, so we'll start with the ramp truck. So as you can see, we've got the front end. I don't really know what kind of truck this is, but you've got your lights up here, and you got your flashing orange light up here. Over here we got a couple of sponsors, DST, I can't really tell what that other one is, Willwood, Firestone, Fast, and Comp Cams. And then also probably their main sponsor, but I can't, oh, it's sponsored by the company who made the truck. Like the diecast company. I do like the design on this truck. You got the Firestone tires on here. And you got the same sponsors on this side. So this ramp, this ramp comes down like this. So you can load the car onto it. And it slides back up. And the car should stay there, just like that. And you drive around. So now we'll go ahead and do the Corvette. So this Corvette is a drag car. You can see it's got a blower, motor sticking out of the hood. I do like this color though; it's a cool color. But one thing I noticed is that, I don't know if you guys can see it on camera, but the color of the body is different than the color of the hood. The hood's more of a purple and the body is a blue. That's kind of weird. On the inside, you just got some seats, your steering wheel. The sponsors are the same one as the truck. DST, Ibachi, I think Ibachi, I think that's what that one says. And then Willwood, Comp Cams, Fast. I also like the design on this one as well. You got the Firestone tires on there. Your exhaust coming out the side. This is the bottom. 1969 Corvette. Here's the bottom of the truck. Nothing special on this one. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I also hope that you guys enjoyed the stop motion at the beginning that I did. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye now.